Guys, what is meant by IDE? ID means a user can write, declare, assign, and get anything as well. Okay. And then what is Python interpreter and compiler? Interpreter means execute the code line by line. Compiler means execute the code, entire code at once, whole code. Okay. Integer, float, complex, boolean, string, and multi-line comment. And Python index begins with 0. And index, how many types? Two types, forward indexing and backward indexing. Okay. And LLM models, what is parameters? What is argument? We learned or not? What is parameter? What is argument, guys? I yesterday explained. So here, this is a function. I pass a comma b. So how many argument we define here? Two argument. Okay. Another function, I pass a comma b comma c. How many argument? Three. Also, Java C code is completely different than Python. Okay. Java code and C code is different than Python. Understand, guys? So, but not much. There is a lot of new thing here. And whenever the concepts are different, I'll explain on that time. All right. So today I want to introduce data structure. Today I want to introduce data structures. Before that, yesterday a little more explain on string, guys. So let's say try string one equals to, okay, you can try hello Python. Can you try this, guys? Can you write the code? String one, online team, everyone work with me. Please work with me. String one equal to hello Python, isn't it? So once we complete the data type, today I'll introduce data structure. Today I'll introduce data structures. Please type everyone string one. So when I say string one, empty slice, can you tell me what is answer I got? String one, empty slice. Can you please tell me what is answer you got, guys? See, the one who already learned, that's fine. And these are the basic. And let me go ahead and we get output as hello Python. All right, guys. So what happened here? So index begins with 0 or 1. So what happened? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all those things, isn't it? Now, string 1 of 12, what is output? String 1 of 12, what is output? So here what happened? String 1, let's go here and let me 1 second and I go to this one. H, oops, just didn't changed. 1 second. HELLOPYTHON. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have index till how much? 9, right? But here I'm a user define 12 means execute. Just when you check index error. You're getting my point. What is the error we got here? Index error. And what exactly the index error it's saying? String index out of range. String index out of range. Okay, but look at this just again. String one. So here, okay, let's try string one of two slice and copy. And here slice two. Understand? And string one of 0 to 9. There's a three code I mentioned here. So just go back to my notes. And in this one, string one of two slice and string one of slice two and string one of one slice 9. Pradeep, can we talk at the end of the class, buddy? Pradeep, can we talk at the end of the session? Is it very emergency? Okay, no worries. I will talk to you at the end of the class. Okay. Yep. Thank you. Okay. So what exactly mean by it? It's saying, listen to this. Okay. This concept is called slicing. This concept is called slicing. Slicing always defines with colon. Okay. Slicing defines with colon. Now I'm saying, what exactly output? Give me the output from second index. Give me the output from second index. So when I say give me the output from second index, and then here give me the output, give me the output till second index, guys, till second index. So here, this one, print the element, print the output from first to which index? Ninth index. That means, but here, assume, always remember you have three parts. This is, okay, one moment. This is left index. This is right index or not? Okay. So guys, listen to me. So this would be left and slice. This would be right. So when I have left, I'm saying, please print the element from left is 2. R should be R minus 1. N should be N minus 1. For example, just go here. Can you please tell me, hello Python. So what is output we get here, guys, now? Okay, or maybe I create a new one, string 2 equal to Python. Okay, just execute. Now I change string 2, I change string 2, I change string 2. Tell me what is output now for this one. No, sorry, I changed this string, guys, Gauri and everyone. Now you check this now. Just go ahead and execute 0, 1, 2. So THON or not? Clear. And now what about this now? Give me the output till 2. So which, how many digit? 1 or 2? PY 0, 1, 2. So here what happened? P Y T H O N, isn't it? So P Y T H O N. So P is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So slice 2 means, so what exactly output we get? P Y T. You think like that, but actually 2 become n minus 1, 2 minus 1. So just check this now. Let me close and execute. You got py or not? Right index always n minus 1. N index always n minus 1. So here, the same things. Can you explain this now? Can you explain this now, guys? Can you explain this now? Python or not? So what happened here? Python, how many index? 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I change to 0 to 4, can you respond me what is output? Let's copy. So guys, are you working along with me? Everyone? Are you working along with me? So 0 slice, let's say 5. Can you tell me what is output? Can I get entire Python or py, python or pytho? So 5 becomes 5 minus 1. Just go ahead and check pytho. So this right side always n minus 1. Are you clear up to this string part? Okay, so this is called we. Now the step index. So string 2, and I want to print 0 to 6, 2. So what is meant by 2 here? Step count. So what exactly mean? This is P Y T H O N. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you tell me how much, what is output I get now? 0 means first P print, right? 2 means what? Print the index after 2 count. So this is 1. So here T again. You getting my point, guys? Just go ahead and check it now. You get PTO. Team, are you clear up to this? This is called step. This is called step. Now, kernel, restart, kernel and clear all output cell. Okay, just one moment. So here Identifier, I hope we discussed, guys. And data type we covered today. Data structure, data structure. And listen to me, this is very powerful. Data structures are always two type. There is inbuilt data structure. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you the graph and then you understand. Just go to this one and here work. Just go to NIT evening batch 7:30 p.m. and then just 1 second. Okay. Do you see this, guys? This is built-in data structure. Okay. Last one, can you? Okay. No, please explain once. I will explain, Kalyani. This is built-in data structure. This is user-defined data structures. Okay. Now I will write it down. Just go to my notepad. Just built-in data structures are list, tuple, set, dict. Clear? What is inbuilt data structures? List, tuple, set, dict. And another one, user-defined data structure. User-defined data structure. What is this user-defined data structure? Stack, queue, linked list, stack, queue, linked list, and tree. I will explain this first. Okay. Once you get familiar with functions, oops, I will explain again at this one. Online team, are you clear? Okay, good. So one moment, I'll explain. One student asked this question. Let me talk about this. String 3 is equals to, listen to me, Naresh technology. Okay, guys, TCHNOLOGY. Now string 3. Okay. Now I'm write a code string 3 of just one slice, 8 and 3 step count. Offline team, please don't talk, guys. I humble request you. You will talk after the classes. Okay, thank you. Now I said to open the laptop and then you work. Now let's do this, guys. What happened here? What is Nourish technology? This is 0, 1, 2. So it's saying first one index it will print or not? What is one index, guys? A, right? Now 8 means what? 0, 1, 2, 3. You can count. After that, how many step count? 3 step count. So here NARESHTEC. This index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 become 8 minus 1 or not? 8 become n minus 1. So which is 7. So first what print? A print. What is the third index now? 1, 2, 3. E. Right? What is third now? 1, 2, 3. H. Just go ahead and you execute, you will get the output. I hope you clear, everyone. What's your query this one? Someone ask. Sahitya, are you clear, dear? Sahitya, you clear? Sir, my output is not showing. Mayuri, can you click this? Check the code and execute this. Execute this. No problem. Let me tell you, if you users, students are beginner, okay, don't worry. Okay, I will after the classes, I will introduce my online mentor. I'll introduce now online mentor. You can connect with them. You can connect with them and you can start work. Okay. Yes, guys, just go ahead. How many type of data structures we have? Two type of. Can you please explain this more? Ravi, I'll explain. Just wait. So I'll introduce data structures. There we can explain more. Okay, Ravi. So we have more index. This is all I will give you. Ravi, are you understand? Okay. Now, data structures are inbuilt and user defined. Function also two type of function. Inbuilt function, inbuilt function and user defined function. Understand, guys? Functions also two type. Are you guys clear or not? Class also two type. Inbuilt class is, please don't talk. Inbuilt class and user defined class. Class also how many type? Two type. So both are important. I'll explain all those things. First, before I go ahead, in identifier, okay, so what exactly identifier? I hope everyone you know this or not, guys. And what is data type? C. A, B, C, D, E equals to, work with me. A is, okay, I can write this, integer, float, string, complex bool equals to integer 10, comma, float, what is petrol price? Just 110.6, comma, string, NIT, comma, complex 1 plus 2j, comma, boolean 2. Just execute. It's execute or not? So that means, listen to me. Till yesterday, I was defined I equal to 5, isn't it? I1 equal to 5. So every line now, can I define how many variables I assigned here? One, two, three, four, five. How many values I declared? One, two, three, four, five. Isn't it? Guys, you getting my point? So five identifies a define and I define five values. If I remove one value, can we get a bug or not? Which error? Which error? Online team, which error? Just check this. Value error. This is values or not? This is value. If I do hash, this is syntax error. Do you see the error differences or not? Please remember this. Very interesting and very, I want you to deeper. So when I remove it, I given five identifiers or five variables. When I assign five variables, I define how many values? Four values. So five identifiers and four values. Execute. What is error? Value error. So today, I hope you guys learn what is difference between value error versus syntax error. Value error versus syntax error. In the syntax error, if I do colon, I got syntax error. Do you see? Understand the error means programming understand. Understand the error means you guys, your concept's clear. If you do not understand the bugs, you can debug it. Bug means error. Debug means fix the error. Very much clear. So your comma and what is bool? False. Everyone, so what is the difference between index error and value error? Swarupa, index error means, see, here, just I'll tell you. Just one moment. Let me close. Okay. String one. Okay. String. This is what exactly output I have string one, right? String one is hello Python. Why I'm not getting just okay. I have to let's execute this string one. Okay. And so one student asked a question, what is different? So guys, are you understand difference between value error and syntax error? Now one student asked a question, index error versus value error. So here when we get index error, so index error string one, if I type n, okay, so maybe I type 20, index error or not? I think you guys clear now. Surapa, you clear? Index means I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 10th index only. I have a string. 11th onwards, I don't have any letter for that. So that's called index error. I hope you guys clear now. Okay. So today I want to introduce, understand data type versus data structure versus matrix. Okay. What I said, data type versus data structure versus metrics. I'm asking one questions to everyone. In data type, how many value I assigned in this code? In every code, how many value I assign here, guys? Online team, can you respond? Only one. Offline team, clear or not? A equal to 1, B equal to true, C equal to 3. But in data structure, we can assign more than one value. We can assign more than one value. So here, I mean to say, listen to me, A is equals to 5. Okay. B is equal to 5, comma, 6, comma, 7, comma, 8, comma, 9. And C equals to, let's create a table. Let's create a table. Now answer me. Can I mention here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? So how many identifiers I have? Variables? How many variables are defined? Three variables or not? A, B. Can you tell me in this three variable, which is matrix? Which is matrix? Online team response, which is matrix? C is matrix. Which is data structure? B, which is data type? Which is data type? A. Can I write a statement here? Matrix equals to collections of data structure or not? Can we write this? Matrix equals to collections of data structure equal to collections of data type. Collections of data type equals to int, float, string, complex, and bool. And how do we assign? Using identifier. How to assign them using identifier. Pretty clear or not? Are you clear, everyone? What is data structures, guys? A user can declare more than one value is called data structures. So matrix is a table format. Matrix is a table format where we have rows and columns. Here we get rows and columns. So I hope this concept is clear. Explain matrix. Naveen, very simple. You have Excel sheet or not? In the Excel sheets, we enter all the detail part. So very simple. In the matrix, what guys? It is a tabular format is called matrix. See, just introductions. These are long topics. When you work together, then things would be pretty clear. Are you getting my point? Okay, now before that, okay, let's go ahead and little. So all your questions we talk. But before you have any questions, you have a laptop. After the class, you can work and we can continue this one. Okay, team. All right, next one. The first data structure is, let's introduce, just go to Markdown and data. Okay, I'm sorry. Before that, I forgot to mention one concept, typecasting. So what is the concept is typecasting, typecasting. Just execute. See, int 2.3. Can you tell me in this code how many argument I pass? How many argument we pass? One argument. And what is the type of the argument? Float. I'm a user. I'm saying, hey, Python, can you please convert or cast float to int? What is output? What is output, guys? Two or not? Isn't it? So how many argument I pass? One argument. Now I said second one, int 2.3, comma 3.4. Can you tell me what is output? Can you tell me what is output now? Anybody? 2 comma 3. Let's check. Error. What is error? Float objects cannot be interpreted. So you cannot assign two argument when you casting from float to integer. Are you working, guys? Are you typing with me? You see this error or you got something different error? Everybody got same error. Okay. Online team, are you working with me? Online team, are you working with me, everyone? Okay. No, sir, I know this. Okay, you know this, buddy. Just wait for some time. We'll introduce more practical on NumPy, Matplotlib. We do more graphs and all those things. Okay. Yeah. So let me explain you. When you work with me like this in upcoming day, I'll introduce machine learning algorithms. I'll introduce NLP algorithms. We'll build generative AI. Things would be pretty interesting. If you don't practice, then you can't help, guys. Pretty clear? Next. Cannot concatenations on the while working together, hence I'm just, oh, no problem, Sushavan. So you can listen or else do it later. I will share the code. Now, how many argument we pass? Only one. Now I'm saying int, okay, true, boolean to integer. Can you tell me what is output now? One. Boolean to, just go ahead and check. Again, one or not? Can I pass two argument, valid or invalid? No, you cannot pass. So this is what interview question sometimes. How do you cast one data type to other data type? Are we casting one data type to other data type or not? So this is we cast float to int. Now this one, boolean to next one, string one. What is output? Again, one or not? String to integer. Then 2 point, okay. Anything I left? Complex. 1 plus 2j. This is error. Now, guys, while typecasting, we cannot convert only complex data type to integer, but rest of thing it is valid. But rest of thing it is valid. What is type error means? It is invalid means. I mean, a plus b whole squared. If you say a plus b plus c plus d plus whole square, you got error. So what is error means? What do I say, man? This is error, right? The error is a bug. Understand? What's your questions? See, base 10 value invalid letter for int. You just come on, man. See, no, cannot int convert to complex. Yeah. You cannot casting or convert complex to integer. That's it. This is the rule. You have to follow the rule. Why like that means you have to ask to the Python who developed this. Who created Python, guys? Guido Van Rossum or not? So you need to ask them. Anyway, next one. Float. So what is the first rule, guys? We cannot cast complex to int, but rest of things it is possible. It is possible. Are you clear? Next one, float. In the float, two. What is response, please? Complex to integer possible? No, 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 Sai, no. See, guys, online team, when you work with me, then work, or else I'll share you. Please work. 2.0, right? Float, then true. What is output? 1.0? Okay. Now, what happen if I say float false 0.0 or 0? 0 or 0.0? Check this 0.0, not. Okay, fantastic. Now, so are you working? Are you guys understand or not? Now let's go to float. String, let's say 56. What is output now? 56.0. So everything is possible, but can we try with complex now? 1 plus 2 is valid or invalid? Can you check? This is again type error. This is again type error. Okay. See, very simple. Being a beginner level, don't be a Einstein. Don't be a researcher. Why that like that? Why like this? Okay. If you could have been asked these questions from the childhood, you become a Sundar Pichai, isn't it? I mean to say, just very simple. Being a beginner level, try to head on to slowly, and then we can get things done one by one. Okay. Yeah. So float, are we covered or not? What is a float? We cannot cast complex to float. But rest of data type, rest of data type, it is possible. But how many argument we can pass, guys? Int and float, we can pass only, how many argument? Only one or two? One argument. Okay, only One argument. Pretty good. Next one. Just one. Good. Just go here. Next one. Can you go to complex? Complex of, I can say int one. Anyone tell me what is output? What is this? Integer data type or not? This is one is what data type, guys? Now you may know, sir, every time you enter. Now let's say 100. Hey, no, these cups will come back. So complex of 100. 100 plus 0j. How many argument we pass? One. Can we pass two argument? 100 comma 200. So online team, are you understand? Anyone has difficulty to understand this? How many argument? Two arguments. So what is output? 100 plus 200j. 100 plus 200j. Let's copy 300. What is output? What is 300? 100 plus 200j plus 300k. Hey, no man. Just go ahead. This is again type error. This is again type error because the rule says 1 plus 2j only. Okay. You cannot go for another one. So just go here and I'll remove this. But I want to ask a question, this one. In complex, which is real part, which is imaginary part? How do you know complex dot? Which one? Complex dot, tab, real, execute. Why we got error? Complex. Okay, I haven't assigned any identifier this one. Okay, guys. You have to assign an identifier. So how do you assign? So you can say B equal to complex, then you B dot real, you get output. Clear? Next one. Now, complex dot. Okay, so int float. Can you try with float 4.5? What is output? 4.5 plus 0j. Online team, are you working with me? Now, float is valid or not? So int is a real part. I type 45. Imaginary part. Okay. 4.5 comma 60. Real part is float. Integer part is 60. Can we cast it? Can we cast it? Why you take a pic, buddy? I I'll tell you. You will work later. I will guide you. Okay, no problem. Okay. So so team, please work. I hope I'm typing very slowly so that you can work. Complex part clear. Now next one, complex true comma false. Okay. Tell me what is output? 1 plus, check 1 plus 0j, isn't it? Now, when I say complex of complex of false, comma, false, what is output? What is output online team? 0 plus 0j. Just execute error. Do you see I type capital C? See, this is what happened. I type capital C. That's what name complex is. Not defined. Just let's see. 0 plus 0j is 0j. So that's why you get output as 0j. Isn't it? 0 plus 0j is 0j. So that's why you got output at this one. Team, are you clear? Okay. Now last part is pending. Which one, guys? Which is last part? Are you working, everyone? Typecasting, are you clear? You learned? An interview, if I give you one questions on Saturday, I will take one interview. All the code, whatever you learned, you doesn't matter. You get 0 or 100, that's fine. Okay. So now complex done. String. String of 12. What is output? What is output, guys? 12 with single quotes or double. You get single quotes only. Now string of 2.3. Into string we converting or not? Now what is this? 2.3. Again, float to string. String of complex 1 plus 2j. What is output? Can you tell me? Offline team, are you understand or you feel bored, guys? Now just go ahead and check 1 plus 2 say. Now string of true, true. Are you clear? So that means this is all, these are the basic and we understand. So I'm joining class. Yes, Sheikh, you are, man, every day you, Sheikh, I'll talk to you. So anyone joined for the first time? Anyone joined for the first time? Santanu? No problem. I'll talk to you. I'll take a recording classes for this. Yes. Sahitya, sorry, it is possible. Navin, can you try with your laptop first? Navin, can you try the questions which you asked me? So my mentors are joined. Okay. Gaurav, can you raise your hands? Gaurav Singh, Chandan, and Akhil. Akhil, are you joined? Yeah. I'll unmute you. Oh, Chandan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Gaurav, can you hear me?
Yes, 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 sir.
And Akhil, can you hear me, guys? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, guys, there are three of your mentor, data science mentor, is joined in the class. And let me tell you, Akhil, this is your link. And Chandan and Gaurav, can you confirm me, guys, this one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
8207. Okay. So this is a 7:30 p.m. is a new batch. So online team and offline team. If while you practice any questions, so you can join this Zoom link and you can ask them. Okay, that means you work the code at night 10 p.m. and you join the link. Sir, I joined the link, nobody is there. So that means of codes in, they are available for 9 to 6, guys. They're available for 9 to 6. Are you clear? Okay, so um, okay, three of you. So tomorrow onwards, they will join. If any questions, please help them and explain them again. Okay,
Sure, sir.
thank you. And you can leave for now. Thank you,
Okay.
guys.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So are you clear, guys? I already shared this link to you. So let me write it down. So the student who not able to understand, the student who are not able to understand, I will take a backup classes. I will take a backup classes. Yes, this is a full stack data science AI course. And in this course, Python is main key technology because we can build Python with machine learning. We can build Python with AI. We can build Python with NLP. We can build Python plus generative AI. We can build Gen AI and LLM models. And you can build, guys, who's talking? Can you please stop? And we build Python with statistics as well. So now, if you build Python with this thing, as we are a new, don't you think we have to learn Python or not? Sheikh, I hope you got your answer, buddy. We're using Sushavan Shift Enter shortcut. Yes, okay. So, so when I'm running string 1 plus 2j, getting error, type error. Okay. Now I try this one moment, string and complex 1 plus 2j. I'm not getting any error. So team, I hope understand this one. Okay. Sheikh, you stay. I have to talk to you. Definitely. Lata and Suprita and Akash and Sarim, the guys who joined, please stay. I will take a backup classes. Okay, guys? No problem. Akash, everyone. Okay, thank you. So, guys, typecasting, everyone completed. So, online team, how many of them work with me so far? And then I introduce data structures. There is a few thing I want to, yes, me. Okay, so everyone complete offline team. How many of them done so far? Raise your hands. How many are working with me in the class? Fantastic. Why about rest of them? So please work later words. Okay, after the go home. Thank you. Okay. What is data structures, guys? There's a first data structure is list. Do you see this? What is the first? What is the first data structures, guys? List. I will tell you some syntaxes. Just go here. Guys, who's talking? I don't understand. So just this is very important. Don't miss this sessions, guys. I will go ahead with serial wise. I'll go and explain one by one. First, we complete data type. Then typecasting we covered. So in Python, three part we covered so far. Just go here and I will control X. Okay. So identifier we completed all those things, and then data type we completed, and then typecasting from one data type to typecasting from one data type to other data types we completed. All right. Then we heading toward data structures. So if anyone joined from today, please listen the class today and work with me and ask me if you have any questions. And the student who raised your hand, I extremely apology because if I speak now, the session I cannot continue because rest of the people will keep talking. I will talk to you. I will talk to you after 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I apologize for that. So, guys, are you okay for that? Everyone? The one who raised your hands. I'm not saying I won't talk to you, Lata, Prashant, and Mohammed, and Santanu, and Aditya Sharma. I mean, rest of them, Sheikh. Clear, guys. Thank you. Sushavan, come on, man. Link is not getting copied. Don't worry. Sorry. No, no worries, Sarat. No worries. The first thing I want to introduce, I created documents here in Excel sheets, rename Python data structure inbuilt or not. What is meant by inbuilt? When you buy a laptop, Microsoft Windows operating system is inbuilt or not? That's called inbuilt. So when you install these all inbuilt data structures, first data structure is list. Let's go ahead. 20. Second one is tuple set dict. Why I mention like this? Because in interview, if you're a fresher, more interview questions asked by this data structures, guys. So when I make a differentiations, it's easy to helpful for you or not? So do you want me to write down or don't want? The first rule of list is list defines with square brackets. What is the first rule? In data type, in data type, we defined only one values or not? Now here we define more values. Just go to the code. Let's here create a list and go to markdown. Create a markdown. L equal to now execute. Do I pass any argument here or not? No. Type of L. Can you work with me? Do you see this is the list or not? Type is inbuilt function. Type is inbuilt functions. Guys, please type this to code. List equals to the one who already know, just understand this is a basic classes and we'll introduce very slowly heading to NumPy projects, and we work on projects in this weekend or maybe next week onwards we start the projects. Okay, as without knowing all the thing we cannot build anything. Is array list in Python? No, you can't say that. Okay, buddy. Now let's see. You just work with me, then I'll tell you. List equal to what is the first concept? List defined with square brackets. Can you say length of functions L zero? How many element I pass here? Can you type with me, everyone? So you got zero or not here? Online team, are you with me? Yeah, you got zero now. Just check this out. So, but now do L dot tab. When you do L dot tab, do you see it all inbuilt functions or not? When you learn all these functions, your list will be complete. When you learn all these functions, your list data structures will complete. So do one thing, L dot tab. Can you do this, guys? Are you get all these informations here with the way I'm getting? Are you getting this? Everyone. L dot, yes, yes. Good. Yes. Now first, L dot, do you see here I'm getting functions, functions, functions or not? Yep. So the how to get those in Colab? Colab, you type, no, you don't. I think you do app and tab, you get it, or else you wait for some time. Okay. What's your name? Venu? Yeah. L dot A tab append. Don't try to type entire code. Just L dot tab enter append. Clear, guys? And shift tab. Can you do shift tab? And do you see the instructions? Append objects to the end of the list. Append, sir, I did tab in Jupyter, but doesn't show me. No, Sai Vasista, it show you L dot tab. If not, click a tab, append. Okay. And append after append, shift tab, append objects to the end of the list. And then what exactly mean by append? Append element to the end of the list means append 10. Now execute. Now L. Do you see it was empty list, but now 10 is added or not, guys? Are you clear, everyone? So it adds element at the end of the list. Very good. Now it does, sir. I need execute. Exactly. First you have to execute, then you can. Guys, I hope you cleared this part. I hope you cleared this part. So the one who joined, now L dot append 20, comma 30, comma 40. Can I append multiple three element at once? Check this. No, no, not subscript table. Understand? You can append one by one. So how do I append? L dot append, L dot append, and I want to add 30 and L dot append. Just I want to add 40. Just execute. Now enter. So let me cut them up and here. Okay, I think, do you see this, guys? You don't get error, you will get error. The reason being, here you have to pass open bracket. Functions always ends with open bracket or close bracket, guys, isn't it? So that's why you have to pass open bracket and close brackets. Now execute and you L 10, 20, 30, 40. I hope you guys work with me, guys. Everyone, you got this now? Yeah, everyone got this output? Okay, everyone got this now. Indexing, let's apply indexing in the list. If I want to know 10 value, what is the code I have to type? L 0, execute. 10 or not? If I want get 40, list of 0, 1, 2, 3, just 3, 40. If I need last value, L dot minus 1, 40. Minus 1. See, always remember, we can count like this 0, 1 from forward indexing. Backward indexing, minus 1, minus 2, or you can do like this, sorry, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. Do you see in the school days we learn 0, 1, 2, 3, right hand side. What is left hand side? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Can we count like this? So this is way it works up. Just go here and code. So on non-technical team, are you understood? Enlist Somrat. First, let me tell you, before you ask your questions, whatever questions you guys ask, every topic will cover. in upcoming classes. So you just work with me. Can we use other data types such as float? Yeah, we can do. That's what I'm going to try. So here, if you see the code, all data type are integer or not? What is length functions, guys? Let's see. Length. Len means length of the variable L. Do you see four or not? Because one, two, three, four. We got four here, length of four. See, let me tell you guys, the guys who have willing to study, who have willing to do job, they will study. Let me tell you. The guy who don't want to study, who just not willing to practice, sit and feel dizziness and sleepy, and it's not get. I'm talking to you serious. I don't want bunch of people who can come and sit and just this is a hardcore data science. This is the offer would give you more than imaginations, guys. Understand? So this is the first day. As you know these small concepts, most of them 75 people doesn't know. I will type and you work with me or not. This is called learning. So everyone has to do one by day. You feel interesting the topic when I explain the graphics and all those things. Okay. Any questions? I will talk to you. You don't need to worry at all. See, okay. Yep. Now there's a few announcement I want to make. Let me write two more functions and tomorrow we'll work with list functions. We'll complete tomorrow. List every day, one data structures we complete, but list. So data type versus data structures. Are you clear? What we call data type, what is called data structures, you cleared. What is argument parameters we cleared? Fantastic. So variable identifier we understood. Typecasting we understood. It is a learning or not? Non-technical team, whoever learning with me, same day I will explain like this. Slowly you learned and work and you'd be fantastic. Now I'll write few more code, then we go to, I'll tell you something. And today onwards, just uh, one moment, just go to list. Now this all integer data type or not? 10 is integer, 20 is integer. Now L dot append, I want to add float 2.3. L dot append tab, I want to add boolean, and L dot append, I want to add complex 1 plus 2j. L dot append, I want to add, let's say, string called NIT. Just execute. Now here, L. Do you see this case? Team, are you getting my point? So now, can we define other data type here or not? Can we declare other data type as well in the list? So what is meant by data structures? Collections of data type, isn't it? Just now I mentioned what is data structures, guys? Collections of? Okay. Now I want to write a small code for I in L print. Okay. For I in L print I check. Do you see? All the element. This is a for loop. Don't worry, you just type at this moment. If you want to print all the elements at once, so what have I have to write for loop or not? So can you please type this, guys? For I in L print I. What is I? I means iterations. What is iterations? Next, next, next. First, it's saying in the list, what are the elements I have? These are elements I have or not? I'm saying, please print the element. What is the first element? 10. What is the next element? 20. What is the next? Iterations. This is called iteration. So in behind the scene, in OOPS concepts, it is called iter and next. In OOPS, I will explain this all those things later. But at this moment, you can try. If I say L, now list of, okay, List of, okay, now what I'm trying to say, length of list. Do you see this 8 or not? Now L dot tab, what is the first functions? Are we clear or not? Append functions are everyone understand? What is append? Add the element at last or at first? First. So just go to my class notes. Append function is allowed in list or not? Append function is allowed and add the element at last. So now when I create this sheet for this batch, sometimes when you encounter this interview, so definitely if you refer to this sheet, would you respond to the interview's query or not? Guys, I hope understand. So you need to learn few concepts, and those concepts are you have to apply dot tab. Help options has to see when you drive a new area, new house, or new city, you see the boards or not. Turn left to go this way, turn right to go Goa. Okay, no, I hope you understand. So now L dot tab. Now, when I say copy, so guys, I hope you this thing's clear. Let's create L1 equal to L1. Why we got this error? Anyone? Anyone? Why we got this error? Sagar, you're not able to execute. I will help you. Just you type L. You don't listen the classes well. That's why you not understand. No variable is defined. We defined L. Very good. So what I do now, I got L1 error or not? I will explain the one who not understand. L1 equal to L dot copy and open bracket and close bracket. Just execute. Now L1. Now you got output or not? So how to copy from one, variable to another variable? Which functions we use? Copy is inbuilt functions or not? Copy is inbuilt functions. Now I write a questions. Does L equal to L1? True or false? Does L equals to double equals to L1? This is true. This is true. I hope understand. So guys, up to this, I hope you work with me. And if you're not, don't worry. I will share you all those things now. And let me tell you, the classroom is created. Can I write L1 equals to L? So Shovan, how can you write, man? Can you every time drive your vehicle right side? No. So that means we have to follow the rule. Yeah, you can write, but you get error. But you get error. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, I will tell you one thing. The classroom already created. So today onwards, I will post all the notes, everything today onwards. I will upload in the class drive. This is what class link we have. Just go to the class. I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you. Just wait, Venu. We'll talk about. See, this is, let me go back to this part. Minimize. There's a few instructions I want to tell you guys. The first one, the first one, whoever registered, whoever enrolled, okay, and welcome to my sessions. And this session is more powerful, guys, in terms of not theory, but more hands-on to practical, hands-on to practical. This is the first thing. Every day, you have to join the sessions with practical and theory part, I will tell you. Okay, this is the first one. And second, and today onwards, I will upload, I will upload all the class notes in the drive, Google Drive and Google Drive, right? So I will tell you how to upload the drive, all those things where we get the recording because I thought for loop when I declared in loop it start with 0 and we get the value. Somrat, wait, I will talk to you. So there are few people. Somrat, wait, I'll talk to you. And Sushavan, wait. Sheikh, wait. Newcomers, wait, I will talk to you. Okay. See, when we try for the first time code and you have a lot of questions arise, and when you have expert, that's fine. Just here, I have to talk to a lot of people and then we will go for it. 7:30, I will upload all the documents in this drive, guys. All the documents in the drive. So here, this is the task, right? I'll let me uh, file, download, and then go here. Just um, just give me some time. Please wait. Downloads and then Control X, work, NIT 7:30. Just go to July and okay, so 22, 23. This is the file. Okay, I post here and typecasting and list introductions. I'll also share few more file tomorrow. So this is 22, 23 file. Just right click and WinRAR add this. Just go to the code and theme, work on attached file. Best regards. As this is, I know there's a lot of questions and I want to ask, just go to desktop, work and NIT evening batch 7:30 and let's post. Just post. So whoever registered, can you please check? Does you get the code? Whoever registered, can you please check, guys? Classroom code is visible on screen. Okay, that's fine. But no, we have to give the access. I will tell you how to. Do you get this one from? Yes, sir, got it. No, sir, I'm unable to see. Yes, sir, we can see. Very good. Are you get the file? So how to open the file, everyone? Just click the file here. Just click the file here. Okay, good. The one who registered got it. Very good. The one who got this, do you have three dots or not? Click the three dots, open a new window, and just go here and you can download it. Once you download, the files are downloaded. Okay, just go to the download folders and you have to right click and extract. You have to zip, you need to download WinZip file and WinRAR and extract it here. Just go to extract. Do you see? This is 22, 23. So whoever enroll, please, can you please get this link? I mean, one moment, just copy file, save all. So actually, Nagababu will share the, Google link to you. So please, you can fill the Google form. So once you fill the Google form, so team, once you fill the Google form, okay, you can start work. You can get into the access. You can get into classroom access, guys. Okay, you can get into classroom access. I hope everyone understand. I hope so. Any more questions? Now I take more questions, guys. Okay, enroll myself in the course and already fill the classroom access, but not added in the. Okay, Nigam, can you please tell me how many of them not accessed? I will take your name and offline team 567. Okay, Shakina Sri. I will tell my team to connect with you. The whoever take a, I hope team is listening. And okay, thanks. So the first time, can we talk after class? Srinivas definitely not got access. Okay. Okay, the class is recording. I will tell again to have check. Okay, you can ping in the class notes so that in the chat window I can see your name so that I can get back to you guys. Okay, let me tell you, online team, I hope understand. So there's a no more free classes. Okay, there's a no more free classes. I mean, so I want you to talk to my admin and enrolled and get back to the sessions and which already we introduced data structures. We aren't able to chat back in the classroom, sir. Venu, everything is a problem, man. Just wait. I post today, first day. After that, you have to post. I will give you access. I'll give you access. Okay. My admin will give you access. Not able to access Google Classroom. Swati. Okay. Swati, I don't have access to. I have enrolled. Okay, Umakant. So I have access now. Very good, Sri Misra. You got access now. That's it. So team, don't worry. You will get access one by one. This is all things. It has been recorded. So I will tell to, I'm also not getting access. So today onwards, I'll not upload any drive, any documents to the classes drive. Okay, good. The one who got access, that's fine. You will get all these access day by day, one by one. Offline team, are you clear, everyone? Offline team, are we clear? Online team, any questions? Stay. Online team. So there's a few things I want to type. The students who joined for the first day, second day, stay. I will take a backup classes. First day or second day, please stay. Offline team, sir, I will enroll Saturday. And no problem, Mohammed. No problem. No problem. Okay, I have class link access. When can I? Somikant, you get your access very soon. And maybe I don't recording get once the team will help you. Okay, Somikant. I'm here, guys. No problem. Classroom link, please. Amlan, you have to log into this one. See, the class every day till 9 o'clock, the class will be there. As I have a new students, I'll take a backup classes or else will go till 9 p.m. Okay, guys. Only for few days, just adjust. And offline team, please bring with your laptop. When you work with the laptop, we'll have many visualizations in upcoming classes. Why you not bring laptops? Okay, so you have a NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. I will show you and then we will work together, guys. Everyone. So the lab is there and you can work. Okay, good. Next. So this is my second. Very good, Amshu. Can I enroll? Sure, no problem, Amshu. No problem. I went through the syllabus PDF which you shared. Could you please add Gen topics and publish in FS? Durga Prasad, I think, wait. Um, do you see this file? One moment, Durga Prasad. I will talk to you some of them. Just go here. Okay, little scroll down. Wait. Okay, do you see here? In Gen AI, I will teach you what is foundations model, fine-tune LLM model with quantizations, LoRa, QLoRa, and then Hugging Face, RAG, Creo AI, Grook, Stable Diffusion, GitHub Copilot, Zero Shot Prompt, Few Shot Prompt, Falcon, Mistral 7B, Fast API, Vector Database. So this is at moment the jobs are opening in this key area. Okay, Durga Prasad. Thank you. Okay, so online team, if you don't have it, yeah, actually that's fine. No problem. Okay, yeah. So it asking class code. Sagar, I don't know about you. So uh, can you please fill the Google form? Everyone, wait, the one who registered, they only fill the Google form. I'll give you the Google form right now. Just 1 second. So actually, Praveen, sir, since shifting from Java, Minto, but it's taking. Sai Shashikant, could you help me with this, sir? Nageshwar, sir, please share here Google form link. Yeah, yeah, I'm sharing. Just one moment, guys. One moment. Okay, this is what the Google form link and chat window. Okay, this is the link which I got. So please click the link and you can. So there's a few things I want to write it down again. Uh, okay, online team and offline team. If you don't have any query, you can leave now and offline team join early, join early at 7 p.m. if you have any questions, guys. Okay, so offline team and online team, stay. If you have any questions, I will talk to you. I will talk to you. And also about labs, I already shared the labs detail, online lab detail, I already shared. Please reach out to them. Offline lab will open from morning 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and you can join at any time. I will visit to the lab at 11:30 or 12 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, this part clear? Okay, guys. Yes, you can offline tip, no questions. Do I need to buy Google Colab GPU computer? No, no, no. I'm having Mac. That's fine, Durga Prasad. No, chip, it's not working. No, it will work. Guys, offline team, you can leave for day. And sorry. So just one moment. Please bring your laptop and start work together. Okay, guys. Thank you. You also bring. Installations done, everyone? You joined for the first time, buddy? So could you help me with batch shifting process smooth? Sai, I don't have access to be honest because I don't know. I think these guys only take care of it. Okay, Sai, I'll unmute you. The one who joined for the first time, stay. I will talk to you. Sorry, but I'll help this. Hi, sir. I need to discuss with you. Can you give me access to speak? Mohammed, I'll give you access. One moment. What and main topics will be started. Sahiti, unmute you. Yeah. AI topics will start, NumPy will start from next week onwards, Sahiti. NumPy, Pandas, this is data analysis. Before you build a ML model, you have to know data analysis. You have to know, understand, Sahiti. So why you don't want Python? Yes. Okay. So can we PyCharm instead of Jupyter for coding? Aparna, you can use PyCharm. You can use PyCharm. Jupyter is user friendly. We can build many applications like in PySpark also you can work. So very good, Gauri. Thank you so much. Yeah, 1 second. No questions. Okay, please. Definitely. This is a no theory. Data types, you don't have any theory. When the time comes, I will give you. When the theories will become, I'll explain theory. You want theories? In organizations, 9 hours, nobody theory. Ask. Correct, Agada? Theory, this is not a school. I'll give you notes. Hmm? Theory, I'll tell you. I'm explaining, right? This is the notes. What exactly this is? This is all theories or not? We continue theory, then go for practical. You have to do menace thing, buddy. You have to again. Okay. We'll start. Whenever the things will start, we'll start. That's not a big deal. Okay. Access. One moment. Online team, just wait. I'll speak with you. One second, guys. One moment, online team. Guys, Santosh, just follow me what I say. Okay. Why you want PyCharm installations? Because when you work in the company, your people said work in PyCharm. Jupyter, will you say I will work in PyCharm? No, right? When I explain for loops, when I explain if else, then I'll explain this PyCharm. Okay, Santosh? Okay, Gemma 3 code is not working. Every time I see error with CPU. Durga Prasad, Gemma 3 code, no problem. I will help you on that. Good evening. Okay, you work on it and better talk to them. Okay, put questions. Okay. Yes. You have to practice. Well, of course you have to practice. Okay. Okay, please sit up. Just to this full stack doesn't include SQL, right? No, it is include funny. We'll have a one practical MySQL. I'll teach you how to load the database. Oh, I'll teach you on this. Okay, next I'll unmute you. Okay, so which software you install now? Do you install any software? So you can work with VS Code. Hmm? No problem. Is there a Tableau in this course? Satya, Power BI and Tableau. If you want, I can teach this. Power Tableau. Yeah, sit down. You joined for the first time? Then sit. We'll go. Okay. Sheikh, unmute you. Prasanna, unmute you. Sit. I will go. Sarim, unmute you. Yeah, please go ahead. One by one. First, Sheikh, tell me, buddy, what's your question? Where are you? Are you here? No, you left. Prasanna, unmute you. Please go ahead.
Yeah, sir. Yesterday you have shared that interview questions, no, sir?
Okay.
In that it is like float NP plus NaN. Is it?
NP dot none. NP dot none, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So what is output you got? That's a good question.
Can we define like that, sir? Because I thought it's with numeric only we have to define. Like
Yes.
that I thought. So
Hmm.
I want to
When
confirm.
you say NP dot none, it's nothing, right? Can you please little research and then I will tell you.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Little research. I won't tell you the reason why. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sarim, unmute you, please. Sarim, unmute you. How many of them joined for the first time, guys? No, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Me, Sahitya, wait. Sarim Khan, no, I cannot. This is my first class. Okay. The student who joined for the first class, I will explain one more time. Okay, guys, I'll explain one more time about this. Just go here and minimize. Just go to this part. Okay, one moment. So before that, before I go to the explanations one more time, anyone has any questions before I? Okay, Sahitya, sir, could you please share the text doc you're writing? Okay, very good. I'm sharing now. Just give me some time. File and save. Let me download to the drive here. Just 1 second. Control S. Work. Then go here. NIT. Okay. Just 1 second. Yep. I shared. Let's copy the link one more time. The student who joined for the first time, just wait. Let's copy and I will share here to the class notes. Santosh, everyone. Okay. Please share to me. Srinivas, I already shared. Can you check this drive? Can you click on the drive? Sir, I have my own PC with it's working. No problem, Prashant. It will work. Okay. So could you ask Akshita? I shared. Akshita, I shared. Okay. Any experienced people has any questions? Sahitya, unmute you. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, so this is my first class, so I just wanted to know
Just,
how
yeah,
do I cope up with my previous
sure,
classes?
definitely. Just wait for some time. So the
Yeah.
student who joined for the first time, I want you to scan this QR code. First step. Just 1 minute. Can you scan this QR code? First step, everyone. If you are a first time joining, please scan the QR code. Okay. Yep. When you
Yeah.
scan, you got one link. Yes. Can you click the link? When you click the link, Sure, sure, Nigam, please go ahead. Thank you. Let's talk with them. Thank you. Okay, so do you see the class drive now? Everyone? Yeah, this drive. In this drive, this is full stack data science AI code syllabus, some of my introductions. In the demo, what exactly topic we'll covered? This is the topics in the demo. In the demo, we discuss what is Naresh IT, introductions, what are the key topics covered in the classes, offline, online lab, class notes, documentations, who can study, one-on-one discussions, interview preparations, placement video, what is capstone projects, what is roadmap, what is code syllabus, what are the prerequisites to learn these codes, who are eligible to learn these codes, all the topics we covered. Okay. Yes. Now, this is what, when you go ahead, one moment, I'll go to work. Everyone got the drive link? Click this. This is what drive link. In the drive link, if you refer, yes, I'm buying new laptop. I'm confused which company. Wait. So in this one, can you please open regular class notes, everyone? Just copy the drive and I will just go to everyone and here, just regular class notes. If you see this, just double click on it. Once you do double click, do you see all the file we have here? Are you able to see, guys? The one who joined for the first day, you get this one? Regular class notes, this one. You won't get this, right? No, you have to. I shared. What have you done? Just one moment. I will share one more time. Okay. This is what. Yeah, you yesterday you scanned, right? Then open the file. Just 1 second. I will share this. Okay. Did you get this? What's question? Sahitya, you get it? Those files.
Yes, sir. I get.
Now, in that file, if you refer to that, you have a recording from the day one. If you let me open one more time. Yes, just minimize. I'll talk to you guys one moment. Just if you go to this file, double click on it. Once you go for double click, let's go scroll down. This is what recording link, 6 days only. Don't watch 3 day. Just fourth day we installation started. A roadmap. If you covered the 6 day recording, that would be fine. It's up to you. Clear, Sahitya, everyone? Okay. Anyone else who joined for the first time except Sahitya? You offline team one? Yes. Okay, good. Okay, Jagdishwar Rao, I hope clear what I'm saying right now. Unmute you.
Yeah, I have one question,
Please,
sir.
please, please go ahead.
So what is the difference, data scientist and data engineer and analytics actually? So I usually hear
Okay.
these kind of
So I
terms.
already explained, but data analysis means these developers are work on historical data. Work on
Mhm.
historical data means,
Okay.
and data scientist, they work on historical data and write some algorithms like machine learning algorithms. And once they write algorithms, they develop a model, and that model is predict the future. And that future predictions would help a business to grow the revenue. So that's the bottom line, to grow the revenue.
Mhm.
Understand? So normally, data analyst works on historical data. And for that, we required SQL and Python and Tableau, EDA, little stats. That's it. For data scientist, we required SQL, everything, SQL, Python, and EDA, stats, ML, DL, neural network, and generative AI. And if we create a front end plus back end, and that we called as full stack, front end and back end, and that we called as
Mhm.
full stack. Are you clear now?
Yes, I'm clear. So, in this course, are we covering any Hive or something like
Yeah,
there is a
no,
technology cover?
actually, Tableau, I mean, you talk about Hadoop. In
Mm,
Hadoop, you have a Hive. That is a data engineer. That is a data engineering technique. What is your requirement?
yeah, I'm working for one company. Like,
Okay.
I want to
Which domain
support
you
for
work?
data. I work for Java developer,
Okay.
and
So if
I
you're
want to
Java
support
developer,
for
it is a
data
completely
team as well as yeah.
okay. Kiran, wait. So no problem. So this is a full stack data science course. As you join for the first day, what are the topics we covered in the first day? Wait just one moment. I'll show you these things. Just go here, SDS. In the first day, we talk about just introductions, nothing else. Second day,
Okay.
we talk about roadmaps, which projects, which domain, what is structured data, what is unstructured data. And third day, we talk about complete roadmap and capstone projects placements. What is difference between ML and AI? What is difference between DA, BA, DE, DS, and
Oh,
full
okay.
stack DS? And fourth day, we talk about installations of Anaconda applications. And the fifth day, we work about a little introductions of identifiers and we start code. And sixth day, we work about data type. And today we work data structures. I have to mention this. That's it. We covered.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
already given
Thanks.
in the link. Can you check? Can you
Yeah.
check that first? No. Are you clear now up to this?
Yeah, I'm clear. Thank
Check
you.
this.
Thank you.
Okay. In QR code, when you click, you get a link, man. Just 1 second. You get this link or not? Open in browser. Okay. Now you read, check all those things is given here. So, yeah, I'll sit down. I'll talk. Okay. So anyone has any questions? Okay, let me Durga Prasad. Yes, I'm sorry. Yeah, unmute you. NVIDIA SMA is not working. So I think the GPU is not connected properly.
Yeah, actually, I'm trying to run on various notebooks, actually, IBM Studio,
Uh,
and also the
it could not change
Kaggle
means,
notebook also. Yeah,
yeah, it could not change to GPU. That means it is a filled.
yeah,
Uh,
correct. It's my
you,
field, right? Yeah,
it's the drive is filled. You have to refill it. Just go to runtime and disconnect, or maybe restart and try, or maybe leave for 1 day. It will work.
yeah. Actually, what I did is I went through all your workshops. So
Mm,
for the last 3 months, you did some workshops on LLM and all, right?
very good.
I'm trying to run the projects here on my machine.
Very
Yeah.
good.
So
So
the
I hope
last
it's
attendance
work.
and I worked on that. Yeah.
Like fantastic. Good. Good. Okay.
So with the transformers and all that, I'm getting these kind of errors.
I know because these models we download from these are large models with a lot of billion parameters. Sometimes GPU only getting filled, isn't it?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
So it will happen, no problem. But it's not about that. It's about we understand that's important part.
Yeah, correct, correct.
That's the API we call anyway an organization's company give us to the laptop to work.
Yeah, I
So
got a
that's
laptop. Actually, it's of a like Intel chip. I don't have the
uh,
M1 chip with me. Yeah.
okay, no
So
problem.
Intel chip is also having some problems with Jupyter Notebook running locally on my machine.
Okay, okay.
So what should
You
I
can
do now?
No, you can just tell to the team, your whoever will give you the laptop, ask him to give me a big laptop. I mean, more highest configurations.
Yeah, with the M1 chip, right?
Huh. So you can
Or
Intel
M7?
chip only best. Intel is good.
No, with Intel chip, I cannot run the graphic cards and all here.
Okay, so you have to talk to your company people to look for it.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So from the
Sorry, Durga. Yeah, please go ahead. Guys, wait, I'll talk to you online team. Yeah, please
so
go
on
ahead.
the online, we cannot get any resources, right? I mean, when the workshop and all enterprise applications and all, we can buy there, right?
Yeah, see, we cannot buy. Why we buy personally? So company
Okay,
has
okay.
it work, then they have to buy for us,
Yeah,
isn't it? And
correct.
we'll work. That's it. No problem. Okay. Thank you.
Con-
Sir, placement are started, Kiran, in a college. So, sir, please give me any suggestions. Which are those things should I follow? Only I know C++, nothing else. Please guide me. Now, company are more look for Gen AI LLM models, Kiran. Now, if you go for workshops, you can work with these LLM models and things would be pretty good. Okay, Kiran? Now you have to learn. Sir, I'm buying new, so I'm confused. Which company are the better? It's nothing based on the budget. Any companies are good. Srikant, you can go for Lenovo. That's fine. Srikant, in front end, what are the topics? Front end, there is a no topic. Front end, you can use with Streamlit. You can use with Flask. Sarim, can you reach out to Mr. Nagababu? Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So the link is not. Sarim, are you clear? Srikant, I hope understand. You join this course. Munginapalli. Just better to join offline rather than online. Okay. Yeah. So any more questions anyone has, guys, today? Any questions today? Yeah. Gaurav, unmute you. So whether it's ID data science or Python with full stack, what is its ID data science? This is, see, data science with the Python with the generative AI. Sarim, it's a first class. I told you, right? I want you to scan this code and you get recording link. And in these days, okay, I'll tell you what are the topics we covered so far. Yeah. Yeah, please give me. What are the issues, man? अपने अभी open किया ना? Can you open that link? One moment. I will tell you again what are the backup classes now. So can you help with append function, Sagar? Very simple. Can you type now? I will share the drive. Just one moment. I'll show you the append functions. Append means what? Add the element at the list. Sagar, unmute you. Okay, yeah, yeah. Just one moment. Just open it. Okay. Just scroll down. Yeah, Sagar, what's your question? Just day one.
I'm just unable to perform this pen thing.
1 second. Day 5, day
Sure.
6. ठीक है दिख रहा है ना पूरा हाँ तो फिर these are the backup classes you have. Just open in laptop and click it. You will get it all the file. Okay, guys. Yeah. If you want to listen, just wait. I'll tell you. Okay, Sagar, what is the questions? Please go ahead.
Sir, as you said, we need to type dot L dot with the tab, right? To perform this append
Huh.
thing.
It's not working.
Yes, I tried to. No, yeah, I don't know why.
Okay, so no problem, but you can type. In the type, it will working or not when you type it? When you
Yeah,
type.
even though when I type it, but it not executing.
No, you have to do shift enter. Can you?
Yeah, I did that.
Okay,
It's telling me name error.
very simple. Name error. That means first, can you click L and two square brackets? Can you type
L
equals to square
Yeah,
bracket?
sure. Yes, yes, I
That's
did.
working. Now L dot append try. L dot append 10 you try. Then with open bracket, check this. I will share this code, please work, okay? Okay. So any more questions? Okay, so guys, let me tell you, and I just go here. In the previous classes, yeah, I'm covering the backup classes now. You will sit, you want to watch? Yeah, please sit. Guys, in the previous classes, what are the topics we covered? So the first thing we have here, Sagar, it's working for you now? Check, it will work.
Yes, I'm just.
Yeah. The first one, I introduce myself, my introductions. Okay. So that's why I shared the students to the LinkedIn profile where you can catch me on this is what LinkedIn profile where you have and my experiences, all those things, and you will get these things, guys. So this is what my profile. I have 17-year working experience in industry. Okay, 17 years. And the next one, just go here. Okay. And after that, who joined this course? Who can join this course? As I said, everyone, there's a no worries, anybody can join this course. This is what, if you see this graph, I will talk about my self introductions and what are the topics we cover here and all the detailed list. So when you scan, you get all these links, okay? And prerequisite, and then we have why to choose data science. And then with these are the courses which we cover here. And these Python data structures and some of my previous classes and what is the course fee structures and new batch with these demo videos which you got now from the link. Okay, guys. And this is all topics, and we started introductions on Anaconda software installations. Anaconda software installations we covered, and identifier we covered, and then identifier we covered, and then data types, and then OOPS concepts we covered. I'm sorry, data types and typecasting. That's it. And today we introduced to list data structures. So these are the topics we just started, guys. Pretty clear up to this, everyone? So that's it. So I shared this 5 days recording. You can go ahead and continue that, guys. Thank you, Sagar. Okay, it's working. Good. Okay, Sarim, unmute you. Yeah. Tell me what happened, buddy.
Hello,
Yes, please.
sir. This is my first class.
Okay.
Sir, can I talk to you in Hindi?
हाँ ठीक है बताओ.
सर आपका ऑफलाइन ये लास्ट डेमो सेशन है क्या आज का सर?
नहीं, ये अभी ऑफलाइन चल रहा है ना, तो ऑफलाइन आके भी अटेंड करो तो फिर आप. तो ये जस्ट
अच्छा सर.
6th डेज है. आप ऑफलाइन आओगे तो इन डिटेल हो जाएगा. कम टू द लैब, दे विल एक्सप्लेन यू. ठीक है सरीम?
यस सर.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम.
मैं
एनी
मैं कल
क्वेश्चन?
आता.
ठीक है. एंड यू कम अर्ली at 12 o'clock and you can practice entire day. Things would be pretty clear. ठीक है?
सर ऑफलाइन क्लास की टाइमिंग क्या क्या है?
हाँ, मेरा टाइमिंग है 7:30 पे क्लास स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो फिर आप थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाओ. 7 o'clock आ जाओ, और नहीं तो 4 o'clock आ जाओ. And did you enroll? Or today is your first day, right? You can come at 7:30 and after that we talk. ठीक है?
थैंक
ठीक है, okay.
ठीक.
Okay, Gaurav, unmute you and then see you tomorrow. Okay, guys, bye. Sir,
Hello,
yeah, please.
sir. I am compatible with Hindi.
हाँ ठीक है, बताओ ना.
सर मैं 2020 पास आउट हूँ, नॉन
ठीक.
आईटी स्टूडेंट हूँ। मेरा सिविल इंजीनियरिंग हुआ है, तो उसके
हम्म,
बाद मैंने गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन किया है। तो
हम्म.
4 ईयर का गैप हो गया है, तो मेरे को मतलब रिज्यूम मेरा शॉर्टलिस्ट होगा कि नहीं, और गैप
Resume
मैटर करेगा क्या?
पहले नहीं, गैप मैटर नहीं करता है आपका. तो थोड़ी 8 साल 10 साल गैप हुआ है. 2020 तो कोविड हुआ था ना, तो पूरे जॉब मार्केट बंद हुआ था वो टाइम पे, राइट?
यस सर.
हाँ, तो फिर अब तो बताओ. मैं गवर्नमेंट प्रिपेयर हो रहा था. नाउ आई लर्न, आई सर्टिफाइड डेटा साइंस एंड आई कैन गो फॉर इट. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो फिर वी कैन गो फॉर प्लान बी.
हाँ सर, फिर लेकिन रिज्यूम शॉर्टलिस्ट होगा क्या?
देखो, तुम रेज्यूमे कुछ भी बना के सेंड कर दोगे तो शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं होगा ना. शॉर्टलिस्ट का मतलब क्या है बताओ? रेज्यूमे में कुछ तो स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए?
यस सर.
तो फिर ठीक है. तो रेज्यूमे में आपको सॉलिड रेज्यूमे बनाना है, जिसमें कोड रहना है, जिसमें प्रोजेक्ट्स रहना है जो कंपनी करते हैं. तो वो प्रोजेक्ट्स जब आप मेंशन करोगे तो फिर तो शॉर्टलिस्ट होगा. तो फिर बिल्कुल, अगर नहीं बताओगे तो फिर नहीं होगा ना.
हाँ सर.
तो आपको तो बनाना पड़ेगा. तो बनाने के लिए ही तो ये कोड सीखना पड़ रहा है आपको. ठीक है?
ओके ओके
ठीक है.
ओके, थैंक यू
ओके,
सर.
थैंक यू.